Hello everyone and welcome back to Kiddo Adventure Zone, the happiest place where drawings, colors, and cartoons come together for kids. Today's video is extra fun and full of teamwork because we are drawing and coloring our favorite rescue pups from Paw Patrol. These brave puppies always work together to help others and never give up, no matter how big the mission is. So grab your crayons, markers, and lots of excitement, because our creative adventure is starting right now. Let's start from Marshall drawing, the brave fire pup who is always ready for action. Marshall is known for his big smile, kind heart, and fearless attitude when it comes to helping others. As we draw Marshall's face and helmet, we focus on his happy eyes and cheerful expression. Marshall teaches kids that being brave also means being kind, friendly, and caring for everyone. Now it's time for Marshall coloring, bringing this energetic fire pup to life. We use bright red and white colors to show his fire rescue uniform and heroic personality. Marshall is always excited, always positive, and never afraid to jump into action. Coloring Marshall reminds kids that helping others with a smile makes you a true hero. Now let's move to Chase drawing, the smart and strong police pup of the team. Chase is a natural leader who uses his skills, speed, and discipline to keep everyone safe. As we draw Chase's face and police hat, we show his confidence and focused expression. Chase teaches kids the importance of teamwork, responsibility, and doing the right thing. Now comes Chase coloring, making him look bold. Now comes Chase coloring. We use blue and brown colors to highlight his police uniform and brave personality. Chase is always alert, always ready, and always loyal to his friends. Coloring Chase shows kids that being calm, smart, and responsible makes a great hero. Next is Rubble Drawing, the strong and lovable construction pup. Rubble uses his strength and tools to fix problems and build solutions for the team. As we draw Rubble's big smile and helmet, we show his friendly and playful nature. Rubble teaches kids that even the strongest heroes can be gentle and kind. Now it's time for Rubble coloring, full of bright and happy colors. We use yellow and brown shades to show his construction outfit and fun personality. Rubble loves to work hard, help his friends, and enjoy every mission. Coloring rubble reminds kids that hard work and teamwork can solve any problem. Wow! What an amazing Paw Patrol adventure today on Kiddo Adventure Zone. We drew and colored Marshall, Chase, and Rubble with lots of creativity and fun. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for more drawings, more colors, and more exciting cartoon adventures. Bye-bye everyone.